Hello, welcome to another day of class. Today, in our science class, we are going to learn about what we eat, how important it is. So, we're going to learn about a balanced diet. So, please go to your book of science, open your book, and look for page 76. Here I have the page of the book that you're going to use. Page 76, please, of your book of science. What we're going to learn is how the food is divided. They are separated by some groups. Today is Tuesday, August 8th, 2020. So, our topic today is a balanced diet. A balanced diet on book page 76. We are going to learn about food. So, food items can be vegetable, animals, and minerals. We already know that food provides a lot of nutrients and minerals to our body, right? So, they are divided in some groups in order to provide different minerals to our body. For example, meat provides something, vegetable provides another thing, fruits provides another thing like vitamins or another mineral for our body. So that's the reason why they are separated in categories. So here we have the builders. The builder food or the builder elements are the ones that help to strengthen the bones and muscles. So they are the ones that provide the strength to our bones, to our muscle. And what type of food am I have here in the picture? I have here some meat, some milk. So that's the type of food that provides strength to our body. Look here, I have some eggs, meat, jam, and milk. So you're going to copy this information in your notebook. First, you're going to copy the date, then you're going to copy the information provided here. Let's continue. The second one, the second type of food or the second category is energetic. What? This type of food or those aliments are the ones that provide energy to play, to run, or to study. So they are, for example, butter, bread, rice, and the aliments or the food that provides carbohydrates to our body. So they are the ones who are in charge to provide the necessary energy to each one of our parts of the body. So that's why we can dance, we can jump, and we can run because of the carbohydrates. Then the last one. The last group of foods are the protectors. The protectors, they are known as regulators. They are rich in vitamins and minerals and then are divided into fruits and vegetables. So they are the ones who are in charge to protect all our body because they are rich in vitamins and minerals. For example, here I have some vegetable and some fruits like cabbage, like lettuce, cucumber, broccoli, pumpkin, tomato, watermelon, strawberry, cherry, orange, nectarine, and raspberry. So that's why you have to eat those elements, those vegetables, those fruits. That's why are important because they provide strength to our body. They're the ones that are in charge to defend our body for us. Right now is the moment of the homework. Please copy this information also. You're going to copy all those concepts, and now it is the time of the homework. So, your homework is very easy. You're going to look for the food pyramid, like the one that I have here. I have here an example. In page 77, you have one example. So you're going to look for the food pyramid and you're going to paste it in your notebook. You're going to cut it, you're going to paste it in your notebook. If you cannot print it, you may draw it. And then your second homework is answer the questions on page 76. So here I have 1, 2, 3 different questions that you are going to complete. That was everything for today's science class. I hope you understand. Bye. Take care.